Ancient Chinese architecture is full of examples of high-rise buildings, whether they are religious, civilian, or military in purpose. On the one hand, they are an indication of both technological and economic progress typical of urban agglomerations such as capital cities. I'm sure you're all familiar with the names of Beijing or Nanjing. Various dynasties ruling over what is now the People's Republic of China had their own capitals in various locations. If it was in the south, the capital was named Nanjing. If it was in the north, the capital was called Beijing, the northern capital. Be it as it may, when written records were kept, the presence of tall buildings was rendered in writing. For this purpose, we will look at two words to illustrate the connection between architecture and writing. The Chinese character Gao means tall. If we look at the ancient forms of this Chinese character, we recognize in it a tall building, most likely a tower, with a gate at the ground level. The character jīng had its origins, the character jīng had its origins in a pictographic representation of a tall building, just like the character Gao. And if we look at the evolution of the character, we see the connection of the modern character to the ancient construction. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. It's very important that you do. If you consider subscribing to my channel, make sure to hit the notifications bell in order to get all of my new videos. See you in the next episode.